How to buy Louvre Museum tickets online in 5 minutes. Properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Buying tickets for the Louvre Museum online sounds simple, but most beginners make mistakes that cost time, money, or even access to the museum. Here's how to do it properly. The first mistake is not visiting the official website. Many users get this wrong by buying tickets from third-party sites, which often charge extra fees or sell invalid tickets. Always go to the official Louvre website for secure purchases. Second mistake, ignoring ticket types. You won't believe how many people buy general tickets when they actually want guided tours, temporary exhibitions, or combined passes. Check what each ticket includes before completing your purchase. Third mistake, not selecting the correct date and time. The surprising truth is that Louvre tickets are time-specific. Choosing the wrong slot or rushing can lead to missed entry or long waits. Make sure you select the exact day and you plan to visit. Fourth mistake, skipping account creation or registration. Beginners often try to buy tickets as guests, which can slow down checkout or cause issues if you need to change your reservation. Creating an account ensures smoother purchases and easier ticket management. Finally, neglecting to check your email confirmation is common. Always verify your ticket confirmation and QR code. This ensures you have the correct information for entry and prevents last-minute surprises at the museum entrance. Using this method, going to the official site, choosing the right ticket type, selecting the correct time, registering an account, and checking your confirmation, you'll save time and enjoy a stress-free Louvre visit. Avoid these beginner mistakes and your trip will start perfectly from the moment you arrive.